This is Riley's cookie.
And what are we making today, Riley? What's that?
This is a purselane. We're making purselane salad.
We are making purselane salad. And where did that purselane come from, Riley?
Garden.
From whose garden?
Daddy's.
Daddy's garden. And what do we have next to the purselane?
Tomatoes.
And where'd those tomatoes come from?
The garden.
The garden. And what else do we have from the garden?
This.
Those herbs that we're going to put in the salad. We also have some garlic, oil, apple cider vinegar, and salt and pepper. But those things did not come from the garden, right?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So are you ready to get cooking with Riley?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at the salad.
Yeah. What are you doing to the purselane?
Taking all the leaves off. That's all.
So first you got to take off all the leaves and put them into the bowl, huh?
Yep.
Oh, we did it.
Yep.
All right. What's next?
Tomatoes. We are going to slice up tomatoes. First, we need to take the tops out. There we go, just like that. Gotta clean up our messes. What?
What's in there?
Tomatoes and purselane.
All right. What's next?
Garlic. So we peel all the skin off. Add a little bit more layers. And try to grab one. Just like this.
Woo!
Then you got one. Put it in here. This one's yours. And then do this. Now you try.
Okay. And what happens when you're done with that?
All the skin gets off.
Nice. That's a handy tool. All right. I'll help you.
Okay. Since it's already done, we put it in here and squeeze it into the salad. Like this. Do you want to try?
Sure. I'll help you.
I squeeze and you squeeze. Good job.
Good job.
We did it together.
We did.
Okay, now you just have to scrape this off into the salad. It's time to put the herbs in.
This herb is called thyme.
I just like to pull them out. Now it's time to chop it.
Now you can sprinkle it in.
Let's put all this rest in. There we go. Now we have to put the salt in.
A little more.
I know.
Good job.
Now pepper.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Okay, that's all over it. Okay. Now we have to add a little splash of vinegar.
Don't pour it all the way upside down. Just a little bit.
Like that.
A little more. That's good.
A big drizzle of oil. Now it's time to stir it. Yeah, that looks good.
All right, everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe to Riley Cooks.
Now it's time for a taste test.
What do you think? Really good?
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
I ate the tomato. Oh, there's one more person. Oh.
Thumbs up. All right. Good
Now
job.
another. Can I have another tomato?
Sure. Of course.
I'm gonna have this one. I had this stuff.
Yum. Can I have a piece to try? I need to try your salad. Oh, yeah. Purselane. And everything. Nice big bite. Oh, wow.
That tomato tastes good.
That's perfect.
That was my first time that I had tomato. Even though I know I hate tomato.
It's the first time you ate a tomato and liked it.
I'm gonna have this one.
Oh my gosh.
Ow. There's no more.
Yum.